Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chevy Cruze battery. First, gather your essential tools like a wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Safety is key, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. You'll typically find the battery under the hood, but some models might have it in the trunk. Let's get started. Now, let's disconnect the old battery safely. It's crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent any accidental sparks. Use your wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable. Once that's done, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal using the exact same method. Take your time with each step. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier. Check the description below for the link and other amazing deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. First, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures it in place. Batteries are heavy, so lift the old one out carefully, using proper lifting techniques. Now, gently place your new battery into the tray, making sure it's oriented correctly for the terminals. Now, let's connect your new battery. This time, you'll connect the positive terminal first, tightening the nut firmly to ensure a secure connection. Next, connect the negative terminal, making sure it's also secured tightly. For added longevity and protection against corrosion, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. You're almost done.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.